So what is init method? Init is a reserved method in Python. In object-oriented programming, it's known as constructor. Method can be called when an object created from the class and access it's required to initialize the attribute of class. So how to define it? Just name of the class, simply name of the class, student. Okay, then simply print method double underscore and init, and directly includes the function. Then simply cut off this. Simply write self num of the variables number. Okay, then simply you know about the colon and create an instance variable of both. Name is equal to name, self dot number is equal to number. Okay, simple. Then you can also use another method because it's constructor. We can use method print d self. Okay, just simply print that two variables. Okay, name and number. Name equals self dot name and number equals self dot number. Simple. Then in this you can pass your parameters. Okay, so first of all create objects. S1 is equal to student. Okay, देखो, you can clearly see that you have to pass some parameter in this. First of all you have to pass name like alien, number 1. Okay, then simply call this function s1 dot print t. Okay, simple, and run this program. You can clearly see that you don't have to require to pass your name and variable here, and you can pass it here like while creating the object. And you can also create the second object too. S2 is equal to student programmer, and the number of that S2 is equal to print t. Simple. And dot here. And thank you for this, guys. I'm going to cover methods in the next part of this class and object. Thank you.